Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to get Aquadile, so let's just get into the video. So before we start the video, like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and also this is on a hacked account. Do not hack Prodigy. This is only for entertainment, and yeah, let's just get into the video. So the first step that you need for this is to have a premium or ultimate membership. Actually not premium, level up. So you just need to have bought a membership. If you have like the teacher membership, then you cannot get this pet, or you can't do the quest or anything. And yeah. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your pet book, which looks like this. And then if you had ultimate membership or any of the types of membership, you would press this new epic task and press on it, and it would bring you to a page that would bring up the items that you need to collect. So they would be a fish, necklace, pearls, and shiny things. And I will tell you where to get those and how to get them. So the first one you'd probably click on is the fish one, and it would bring you to Shipwreck Shore. And the way to get these the fish is to go and look for. So what you want to do is find a chest that looks like this. I'm using the hack extension because I'm trying to skip battle. So what you'd want to do is just go around and look for chests like this. And yeah. So once you have found 4 chests and get a fish out of it, then you can go to the next stuff, which would be in. So actually first I'll just show you what you gotta do. You just gotta press on it, and then it will open up for you. If you're doing the quest, then you will get something probably, but for me, since I'm not doing the quest and I'm not even a member, then I don't get anything. So once you've completed the task, it will say that you've completed the task, come find me, and then you press go, and then it would bring you to the map where you would look for the you would look for some musical notes, and then it would, let's just say it was here. The musical notes were coming from here. It might not show up there for you. I'm just using an example. So then you would go over here, and Ola would be here playing a note, and then you could just press on her and get your, or finish the task and get a new task. So then once you had done that, you would go and it would bring you back to this page where you would say collect the pearls, which should be next on the list for you. So the pearls, you'd go to Firefly Forest, and then you would go over to wherever and open up boxes that look like this. And you would probably get something. I won't, because again, I'm not a member. And so just open, get 5 of them, and then you've completed the task thing should show up again, and then you can go find it again, or find Ola again. So you'd go to where the musical notes are playing. Let's say this time it's here, since we're not just going to go to Firefly Forest. And if she's playing the notes down here, then you'd go there, find her, and then she'd say you've completed your next task, and she'd give you the next task, which would again bring you here where you do the next thing, which should be like screws and stuff. Not 100% sure what it's called. I will see what it's called. They are called shiny things, so you'd go and find those, which should be in Skywatch, and just go around, open the chest. So you'd want to open things that look like what we're about to see right here. So for this one, you can actually just go around it and get your stuff. You can go up here and get one. So yeah, there are a lot here. You have to collect 6 of these, I'm pretty sure. then once you had found all 6, it would bring you back, or it would say you've completed it. Go to find Ola, so you go back to wherever here, and then go over to where the music is playing. It probably won't be here for you, but you'd look for wherever a musical note is playing. So if like a musical notes are coming out of here, then you go here and follow the musical notes to wherever. So yeah. So then once you found Ola and done whatever, you'd want to go back to your pet book and to where Aquadile is. So instead of saying find over here, once you press this, it should say track, which you would press, and then it would start to bring you where you can find this epic. You'd have to battle it 3 times each time, pressing track on all of these. So once you press track, a sparkle should start showing up from most likely here. You'd go and follow these sparkles until you find Aquadile. So you'd go over, and then Aquadile could be like right here, and you would battle it and finish the first battle. You have to complete 3 to get it. So basically, you're going to do the same thing 3 times. You're going to go click on Aquadile and then press track, which would be over here. Find Aquadile and then repeat it again. And once you complete in the 3rd battle, you will get Aquadile. And yeah. So once you've completed that, you should have the mythical epic in the bottom of your buddies. You can put it on, and then you would also have the pets, which looks like you can equip it. And yeah, that's going to end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.